Welcome back, guys! Here's a quick video showing you how we make our favorite cup of tea. It's a masala chai that's perfect on any day, but especially on a cold, snowy one. For this, we used 1 cup of water to 2 cups of milk. To the water, add a small cinnamon stick, 1 cardamom pod, and a pinch of fennel seeds. We used 2 tea bags. After adding the milk, let the tea simmer on the stove on a low to medium heat. Keep stirring in between to really bring out the flavor. Let the tea come to a boil, but keep simmering for about 5 minutes. Use a tea strainer when pouring out the tea. You can enjoy your cup of tea with a favorite dessert.